Good morning, Steam Fam. It's Lindsay Bowes. I'm just about to let the chickens out. The boys have gone to school. So here we go. I'm going to show you Punky. There's Punky. Where's Punky? We're going to see Punky. Punky every day has to run. And she'll run and lay eggs in the forest. See, there she is. And we're gonna follow Punky. My battery's getting low as well. So that's Punky right there. Yeah, she's playing it cool. Oh no, there she goes. She's walking pretty slow. Girls? Good morning, girls. Cuties. Gotta do some spring cleaning around here. Yeah, so of course, because I'm watching, Punky didn't rip off to the forest to lay her egg in there. Usually when I open that gate, the first thing she does is go running to the forest. And I have to follow her. It's not gonna happen. So I'll just show you some chickens instead for a few seconds here. Yes, girls! You really proved me wrong today. Chicken bitches. Sup, Hendrix? Sup, bro? Yeah, that's a girl actually, and she's going to lay her egg like a good girl. There's Wingy. Wingy! Ooh. Oh my gosh, and there is Smoke mating his mom, Sonic. Nice job, bud. And Pendok, what are you doing, Pendok? Huh? Mr. Pendok, are you gonna flap your wings? Oh, you did. No, because you have an attitude. And if I talk to you, you've got to flap. Pendok. Oh, Pendok, no, Pendok, don't mate her. That's just a little girl. Yeah, so, anyway, Steam Fam, that's it. My totally uneventful video. Well, I guess it had some sex in it. Yeah, Pendok. You have every right to look at me that way. Because you don't even have the proper machinery, really, to call it sex. Okay, and on that note, now that you guys know that cocks don't actually have a cock, I'm gonna go. Signing out. It's Elbows. And my super messy spring garden shit I gotta clean. Goodbye, Mr. Pendok. Oh, he's following that girl. Oh, they're going into a dark room.